every step you take could generate electricity. Today, we are building a piezoelectric power generator system using Arduino UNO that converts mechanical pressure into electrical energy and display that generated power in real time. This piezoelectric power generator project demonstrates the fascinating concept of energy harvesting using piezoelectric discs. Using piezoelectric discs, the system converts pressure, vibration, and mechanical force into electrical energy. The generated energy is monitored by the Arduino UNO and displayed on the screen while powering indicator devices such as LEDs. Now let's explore what's inside this RoboXCraft kit. At the top of this RoboXCraft kit, you will see some goodies with stickers. Then you will get the jumper wire for the connections of the component. Here you will get the resistor to resist the electricity or voltage which goes to the other components. Here you will get the indicators as a LED, and there is switch including the capacitor. Actually this capacitor is used for collecting the electricity generated by the piezoelectric disc. And this is the diode, and this diode are used to convert the AC current that is produced by the piezoelectric disc to the DC, and this capacitor is also used for making the true DC current from the AC. And as you know, this is the piezoelectric disc. Whenever we press to the piezoelectric disc, it produces the AC current, and that is transferred to DC by these diodes. And here is Arduino UNO cable to place the code in the microcontroller Arduino UNO. It is the Arduino UNO which receives the signals whenever the piezoelectric disc generates the electricity. It will get the signals and then after it shows output in the display, and major of the components are connected with this Arduino UNO. Here you will get the display which shows the LCD display which shows the output in this display, like how much voltage of current is produced, and here you will get the breadboard for doing the connections of all the component. Here you will get in this RoboXCraft kit battery holder with batteries. Also here in this RoboXCraft kit you will get a transistor. Actually the work of this transistor is whenever a small amount of current is generated, it will allow LED light to glow on, or it will get signals to the Arduino UNO for that indicating that the piezoelectric generated the electricity like that. Now we are going to make the project piezoelectric power generator project. These are the piezoelectric disc. We will need 3 piezo disc. Here we have altogether Here we have altogether 6 piezo discs. Whenever we press to this part of the piezo disc, it converts mechanical energy into the electrical energy. And you can see in this piezo disc, one is a kind of silver kind of layer, and another is a kind of gold plated like this. And here this middle part is here you can see this middle part is the positive and this part is the negative. Whenever we press here, it produces electricity. The electricity which is produced by this disc is the AC, so we have to convert that into DC. First of all, we are going how to solder these things with each other, because we are using here six piezoelectric discs, because one is not enough to show the value in the system, so we will need more. We are going to connect them in a series connection. So we are going to do the connection. First of all, right now I'm going to show how to solder this one. First of all, you need the jumper wire or any kind of wire you have to cut that wire. Here you can see we have cut this kind of tiny wires. Now I'm going to show how to solder like this. First of all, we need one solder. We have to touch this part like this, and we have to touch one part like this. After doing that, we have to connect it. One is like this. One in this way. Now I'm going to solder it right here like this. Here the positive of this disc is connected to the negative of this disc. Now the negative of this disc will be going to connect with the positive of this disc. Here you can see the positive is left, the negative of this disc is connected to the positive of this disc, and the negative of this disc is connected to the positive of this one, and the negative is left over here. Now we are going to do same like this. Here this is this one. Connect the negative of this with the positive of this second disc. Again connect this disc with this one, and remember, don't put the soldering iron for the long time in this disc, they can be damaged. And connect this disc and this disc together. Now, like you can see, the negative is connected to positive, positive is connected to negative, and the negative is become 1, and you can see the positive and positive also should be connected to make it to positive. Here you can see, now we are going to do the soldering. This is the final positive one. We are going to soldering. Like this. Now this has soldered. You can see the pattern how to solder these things in series. This positive, and the out one is positive final, and the negative is negative inside here, and the positive goes with the negative. The negative goes with the positive, and positive goes with the negative. Like this, you can make it solder. After soldering, we need the breadboard. Now we are going to do the next one. We need a breadboard. Here we have the breadboard. You will get this kind of diode, and cut these diodes and make it little short like this. This part. Here, after cutting that diode, bent like this, and make it like this. We will need 4 diode like this, and always remember this part here. This is the white one, white label. Always remember this part. And now you have to make a bridge of these diodes. Here, starting from here, you have to make the bridge First of all, you can see this white, make it white to another side. Connect it like this. You can see the white part is like there. After that, connect it like this. After that, connect it, white part is upper side. Like this, and finally this part is like this. Here you can see here, these are the two diodes. These two diodes, white part is this side, this upper side, and if you carry like this, these two diodes, the white part is upper side. Like this, you have made the bridge. After that, you will need a jumper wire. After that, you will need a male-to-male jumper wire. Afterward, you will need male-to-male jumper wire. Connect straight. These pins are connected internally, and these pins are connected internally. Connect at this place like this. It is straight to this junction, the junction of two diode. Connect it like here. I'm connecting here, and same. You need another male-to-male jumper wire, and connect this jumper wire at the junctions of these two diodes, and connect it in the same rail. After that, you will need a capacitor. You can see a capacitor like this, and make it like this, and you can see there is the negative indications in the capacitor. There is negative sign. This is totally black. The negative should be in this part, so put is diode like this. This is the capacitor. Keep this capacitor like this, and the negative of the capacitor is like this side, and the positive is at the right side if you carry like this. After that, we need a resistor. This is the 100 kilo ohm resistor. We have to keep the 100 kilo ohm resistor. Keep the 100 kilo ohm resistor like this. Put it here. Put the 100 kilo ohm resistor like this, and next we need another resistor of 10 kilo ohm. This is another 10 kilo ohm resistor. Keep the 10 kilo ohm resistor like this. You can see the resistor and the connections rail clearly. Then after, you will need BC547 transistor, and this transistor, make this transistor pins little bit tilt like this. Make the transistor pin like this. make the pin like this. You can see how I have made like this, and keep this transistor like this, put like this. This part, the right leg is connected to the transistor, and the middle one and the left one is spare right now. Like you can see, the rightmost is the collector, and the collector is connected with this resistor. The base is in the middle. In this, we can see it is in the middle, and the emitter is in the left side. Now we are going to do the connections for them. We need one male-to-male jumper wire. Now we are going to do the connections of this collector at the opposite side, and we need one 10 kilo ohm resistor. Here, this is the 10 kilo ohm resistor. 10 kilo ohm resistor is connected with the base of the transistor, and come to this side. Now we need another jumper wire. The jumper wire will be connecting to the leg of the capacitor, negative leg of the capacitor, to this line of collector of the transistor, and we need another male-to-male wire, and this will be connecting from this to negative rail. This is the negative rail of the breadboard. We'll be connecting to the negative rail of the breadboard like this. Now, as a microcontroller, here we are using Arduino UNO. You will need the Arduino UNO here. Now we are going to show the connections, or we are going to connect this whole system with the Arduino UNO. Here we have piezo disc here. Now, as you can see, the positive of the piezo disc is this. Now the positive of the piezo disc will be connecting to this junction, the upper junctions of the, like these junctions you can see. You can clearly see which junctions I am talking about. These junctions, and the negative of the piezo disc will be connecting to this remaining junction like this. Now we have done the connections of the piezo disc with this system. Actually the reason for doing this setup of the diodes, capacitor, transistor is just we are making that we are converting the AC generated by the piezo disc, converting to the DC, and the capacitor here is used for filtering the AC into DC, pure DC, and the transistor is like measuring the voltage, actually what amount of voltage is generated by the this disc, and sending signals to this Arduino UNO, and Arduino UNO will receive the signals and show the output in the display. Again, we need one male-to-male jumper wire. Connect this jumper wire to the junctions of two resistors that we had used, these two resistors we had used, and connect this to A0 analog 0. We will need another jumper wire. Connect this jumper wire to the base, which is with this resistors, and connect this jumper wire in the D8 pin of the Arduino UNO. And take one jumper wire, male to male jumper wire, connect this GND rail to the GND in the Arduino UNO. Again, take one jumper wire and connect that jumper wire with the positive rail of the breadboard with the VIN pin. Here with the VIN pin like this. Now we have taken a LED bulb. This is the positive of LED bulb and this is the negative. Connect the positive of the LED bulb with the positive rail, and connect the negative of the LED bulb. Connect the negative of the LED bulb with the emitter of the transistor. Now you can see emitter of the transistor. In order to show the output, we will need a LCD 16x2 12C display, LCD display. We have to do these connections in order to show output, like how much voltage is generated by this piezo disc. Now, in order to do the connections, we need 4 male to female wires. Here I am going to connect 4 male to female wire with this display. This is the GND. The green is the GND will be connecting to the negative rail of the breadboard. And SDA will be connected to the A4. The SDA yellow one is the SDA. It will be connecting to the A4. SCL will be connecting to the A5. Here red is the SCL. It will be connecting to the A5. Whereas the VCC will be connecting to the 5 volt of the Arduino UNO. Like this. After doing these connections, we will need a substance like this, and we are going to place the piezo disc opposite like this. And be careful while doing this. Don't unsoldered these things. Like this. Now we have completed the connections, and after doing these connections we are going to upload the code. Now here we have successfully uploaded the code. Now here we have a battery with the battery holder, and while connecting the battery, remove this VIN pin. No need to connect while connecting the battery, and connect this red wire with the VIN and the negative with the negative rail in this breadboard, or you can connect here in this there only. Before connecting, keep the switch closed. You can connect the Arduino GND to the GND of this board. After that, turning on the switch, it will show RoboXCraft Piezo power, and voltage is currently 0.00 volt, and it is waiting. Now whenever I press here, it is showing the values like this. This piezo disc generate less amount of electricity. That's why you can see the value is so small. And how if we press like, if we punch like this, and you can see the values, and it is generating slowly like this. It is showing, and we will provide you all the codes here as well. Now you can see the values of readings, and this is all about the power generations by using the piezoelectric disc.